Look at the camera. Say hi, Emily.
Hi.
What do we have today?
We got Sophia first. And we have look on the back. You can do anything you like. We got Play-Doh.
Okay, wait. Let me show them this. Okay, here's the Sophia Tea Party set. Looks pretty awesome. Looks like you're going to have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the front. Let me show them the front. Okay, that includes sparkle compound. Okay, so we got some sparkle Play-Doh. And Carson, what do you have?
Play-Doh.
Pizza, huh? We're going to make some pizza. Pepperoni.
Pepperoni, cheese.
And cheese? Yeah, okay, let's show your box. And we have it. Play-Doh Pizza Party. And it has 5 Play-Dohs for the pizza. And on the back we have all the accessories. And we have a pizza cutter, some plates, molds to make the pepperoni and all the toppings, and a cheese grater. Okay, we're going to open them and have some fun playing. Okay, everything's out of the box, and these are super cute. Look, it comes with a pizza box.
And we
So when you're done with your pizza, you can put it in the pizza box.
And it comes with pink, purple, yellow, green. It's different. So, Sophia, look, we got her out. She's so beautiful. Her tears don't come. We got a
Okay, we've got lots of molds on the front, on the back.
Wow.
We got Clover.
Wow. We got the fort.
Okay,
and we got her little squirrel, Clover,
Carson's going over his over here. He's got
like a bunch of knife.
A knife, yeah.
And a pizza thing. And we're gonna make her roofing. And a plate.
Plate, yeah. And on the back of the plate, it's got the toppings, molds. Okay, what color Play-Dohs does yours come with?
One Play-Doh's black.
What's this color?
White.
White.
White. Black. Green. Yellow. Brown.
Very good. And what's this? What else does it come with?
It's a pizza scooper. And a pizza and plate.
Right. Another little plate. And what's this?
It comes out with the same.
What's it make?
It's make tomato balls. It's make little
Cheese?
cheese.
Yeah, it makes the cheese, huh?
You put play on there and we squish it.
Alright, and Audrey's comes with...
With a little cup. Look, the rest will come out.
Yeah, we're anxious to see what this looks like because it's a little pusher and it's supposed to come out the little spout on the teapot.
It comes
So that
out.
looks really neat.
Yeah, look at these two cups. There, you put
So you
some
can,
Play-Doh in
you
there.
can pour the tea, make Play-Doh can of tea. And then the little tray has a couple of molds on it for
Yeah, you can make a little cookie or... Woo! Because it comes out. Look, it's squishy. Let's get the pink out now.
Oh, this is sparkly. Look at that. Look at all the pretty sparkles in there.
Look. Okay, and it's a lot of sparkles. See?
Pink has a lot of sparkles too, yeah.
Yeah. And lower the one.
The yellow is just plain yellow. We'll see. Is it sparkly too?
And see. So.
It's just plain? Okay.
Yeah.
Carson, you need help with your white?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open it.
Let's get squishy too. Open it
We can put some cheese. We can put some cheese on the plate. There we go. Grandma's gonna make some pizza dough. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put it with my chocolate. Here, you have a box.
Well, we have to wait on the pizza box. We have to make the pizza first. Let's see how Augie's doing here with her teapot. See, does it work?
Yeah. So let me see.
Here we go, let's see.
Look, it's coming out.
Oh, look.
You can squeeze the book.
Yeah.
You just squeeze it down like this.
Squeeze it out there.
Look, there's a diamond. Wow.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna pizza dough here.
Look, there's Clover. Look. Anyone?
This is a hand-tossed pizza.
That's Clover. That's Clover.
Let me see. This way. There you go.
There's Clover. Look at it. Face and coming out.
Look at the cheese. Yeah. Okay, there's the pizza dough already. Okay. And it's red. Well, it's red for a little bit of sauce and some pepperoni here. It's kind of red. So let's take a little bit and we'll just put a little bit of sauce on our pizza. I like that cheese grater. I think that is really nice. Okay, so there's our sauce. And let's see what we have to make. We got green, so let's put the green peppers on there. Looks like maybe a green pepper
I
slice.
think I spilled some tea.
What do you like on your pizza, Carson?
I like cheese
Cheese,
and
pepperoni.
yeah.
Cheese and pepperoni.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see here. Let's see if we can get it out. Okay, so we're going to put some green peppers on ours. And put another slice. Do you like bacon on your pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll make some bacon.
That's a bacon.
That's bacon,
Oh, I
yeah.
think I broke it. Yeah, I broke it. Well, I'm making another bowl.
Alright, let's make some bacon. Take a little piece of this.
It's okay, Audrey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
There we go. We got a little piece of bacon.
We got made it. Wow, look the elbow.
Aww. Put the bow in her hair.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put a little piece of
Look at
this in there. Just
sticks.
take
Wow,
a
look at
piece of white.
look at sticks. Wow, it sticks.
There we go. There's another little piece of bacon. Okay, are we ready for our cheese, Carson?
Yeah.
Okay. Put some cheese on our pizza. Put your cheese on.
Look at little amulet. Wow, look at little amulet. Look, I know you can't see it, it's so small.
That is. Where did you?
I put a pizza on
You put it right in there.
Wait, that's not
Oh, that looks almost as good to eat, huh? Okay, we're
Yeah.
gonna put it in our oven. We'll pretend we have a little oven over here. So let's put it in the oven on our plate, our big spatula, pizza spatula. And we'll let it cook a little bit. Okay, all done. And we'll put it in our pizza box.
Pizza box.
Yeah, there we go. Look at that. All ready to serve. Pizza delivery. No? All right, that is a really cool set. I like this.
Yeah.
We love Play-Doh, huh?
Yeah.
'Cause we can play all kinds of things with Play-Doh. Okay, let's take our pizza out of the box. You know, we forgot to cut it. Oh, my cheese stuck to the top of the box. That's normal, huh?
Yeah. Look, I made a big
Okay,
flower.
we're gonna cut our
Look,
pizza.
I made a flower. And look
You
at it.
gonna cut it?
Look, I made a little flower.
You have a flower?
That's cute.
Very cute.
Wow.
You can decorate the front of her dress, huh?
You can decorate for your nest, or you can
Yeah,
decorate
so-
it.
Got got it cut up and you want to serve a piece?
Or you can decorate her. Or you can decorate the pot. Or you can decorate the pot. Or you
And
can
get your plate.
You?
Well, did you cut it? Yeah, you cut it.
Yeah,
Cut the piece
cut
there.
it.
Okay, let's cut it a little.
Or you can decorate the top.
There we go.
Let's
Cut it.
decorate them. Let's decorate
This is our
them.
lunch today. We're going to have pizza for lunch. Okay, now you
Decorate
want to scoop
the
a piece out?
back. Let's decorate the back. I decorate the back. Look at sticks. Wow.
Oops, we lost our grater.
We'll get it tomorrow.
We'll get it tomorrow? Okay. There we go.
There's a pizza.
Thank you. Oh, that looks delicious.
Very hot.
Very hot. Okay, how about you go give you a piece?
Oh, thanks.
Here, put a piece on your plate.
I just had a piece.
You just had a piece?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what
I
I'm
know, it's hard to push.
You just get it around.
It's kind of hard to push. All right, now we're going to pour some tea. There we go.
Oh, well.
Put a cup of tea. Our pretend tea. Where's our other little cups?
Thank you.
Is it delicious, Carson?
You want me to make a little?
We can only get one cup of tea out of it. Out of one filling here. Okay.
Look. There's something to look.
Yeah, there's molds on the bottom, huh? For little cookies. Let's make a pink cookie.
Yeah, you can make a pink cookie or
All
something.
right, we'll see here.
Or you can use
Push it on the bottom.
or you can make a little flower.
There we go. We got a little cookie, a little candy, a little petit four, whatever, on the tray here. And we can stick it right there.
My turn.
And let's make a purple one. I think the teapot has one too.
More
There's molds
cheese.
on just about everything. So this is very nice.
Where's the pizza box?
Pizza box is right here.
Put some more cheese in there. You put it a different way. Put it a different way. See?
That side's mold.
Where's the pizza?
Right here. You gonna put it back in the box?
I'll make
So leftovers in the box, huh?
Make a little cookie. Let's make a little thing.
And on the front she has different molds, so let's make a flower.
I want to make a flower.
You made the amulet. So if we make a little flower,
I make a little
and
flower.
then we can put it back in. Let's take the little excess off.
I can't make a little. I can't put it back in.
And we can maybe, can we stick it back in there to decorate her dress?
Or we can make her. Or we can
Do that.
Or we can get her a cookie.
We can, yeah, she can have a cookie.
Nom,
Let's make a
nom,
little
nom,
yellow bow and put on her.
Yeah. I wait.
You decorated her hair with a flower. Where's her bow that was on the...
Thank you. It's wet here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Put it back on her hair.
I put it on. Oh. Then get started the sycamore. So let's put the flower. I put the flower in there.
Look how pretty, huh? There, we'll put her little bow back in there. And on the bottom, let's see what molds we got on the bottom. We have a heart. Here.
And this.
That looks like there's more cookies for their tea. What do we think about these Play-Doh play sets? Awesome, huh?
Thumbs up.
Yeah, we'll have lots of fun playing with these.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah. Bye.
Bye.